Once upon a time in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious young girl named Elara. Elara was known throughout the village for her insatiable thirst for adventure. One sunny afternoon, she decided to explore the dense, ancient forest that bordered the village, a place whispered about in bedtime stories as being magical and enchanted. With a small satchel of snacks and her father's old, tattered map, Elara ventured into the heart of the woods. As she walked deeper into the emerald-green canopy, the forest seemed to come alive. The trees whispered secrets in the wind, and the leaves rustled like the laughter of hidden fairies. Amidst the dappled sunlight, Elara stumbled upon a hidden clearing bathed in golden light. In the center of the clearing stood a radiant figure with long, flowing hair, clothed in shimmering golden robes. It was the Sun Princess. "Who are you, young traveler?" the Sun Princess asked, her voice like a chorus of birdsong. "I'm Elara, and I've come in search of adventure," Elara replied with wide-eyed wonder. The Sun Princess smiled warmly and invited Elara to sit beside her. They talked about the wonders of the world, the beauty of the forest, and the magic that danced through every sunbeam. Elara's heart filled with awe and inspiration as she spent hours with the Sun Princess. As the day turned to dusk, the forest came alive with a silvery glow, and the Moon Princess emerged from the shadows. She was ethereal, with silvery hair and a gown that shimmered like moonlight on water. Elara watched in awe as the two princesses, Sun and Moon, greeted each other. It was as if the very heavens had descended into the forest, and she was privy to a celestial meeting. The Sun Princess introduced Elara to the Moon Princess, and they spoke about the balance of day and night, light and darkness. The Moon Princess invited Elara to explore the night with her. They danced among the fireflies, their laughter echoing through the woods. Elara marveled at the mysteries of the night, the twinkling stars, and the magic of dreams. Hours passed, and Elara realized it was time to return to her village. She thanked the Sun and Moon Princesses for their enchanting company and began her journey back, guided by the Moon Princess's soft light. As she emerged from the forest and returned to her village, Elara couldn't help but smile. She had experienced an adventure beyond her wildest dreams, a meeting with the Sun and Moon Princesses. The memory of that day stayed with her forever, filling her heart with a newfound appreciation for the beauty of the world. Elara continued to explore and seek adventure, but she also carried with her the wisdom and warmth of her encounter with the Celestial Sisters. The village children gathered around her to hear her stories, and every night, they gazed at the sun and moon, knowing that, somewhere, the Sun Princess and Moon Princess watched over the world, sharing their light and magic with all who ventured into the enchanted forest.